Hello everybody, welcome to your most reliable news source, Sinclair Photos. Here I am joined with my good brother Snuff God. How are you today, sir?
I'm doing very good. How are you?
I am in trauma today. It is 9/11 and we are mourning the loss of one of our beloved, all the people that died today, and the Bugatti Divo. Yes, sir, you have that right. Take your gas now, sir, and let me explain. Today, this picture was leaked on the internet. I'll let it sink in. Take a good, long look at it, folks. This is the Bugatti Divo, $6 million down the drain. Some shenanigan head wrecked it, taking it out on the track, presumably. I didn't even know this thing had an engine in it yet, and someone crashed it. What are your thoughts on this, Mr. Sinclair?
I'm so sad. It hurts my heart to see a $6 million car just totaled like that.
Oh, as do lots of car people in this community. We all mourn the loss today of the Bugatti Divo. Now, there is some speculation and some controversy out there on the internet that this picture may indeed be fake. Photoshopped fugazi, as they say. Now, I'm not a Photoshop man myself. I can hardly erase an image around an area, as you can see from some of my thumbnails. But if you are a Photoshop expert, please, for the love of car and car humanity and car love in this community, please leave a comment telling me what is bad about this Photoshop, if it is a Photoshop, or if it ain't a Photoshop. Gotta tell me what it is and why, so I can believe you and get my head off of this sad loss today we have on 9/11. Anything else you'd like to say, Mr. Snuff God?
There has been 2 tragedies in the past 16, 17 years. First the Twin Towers, and now the Bugatti Divo.
I couldn't have said it better myself. Thank you. Thank you so much for being on the show today. This was just a quick little update. If you know anything about this, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our beautiful YouTube channel. My name is Sinclair Photos.
My name is Snuff God.
Please, if you liked the video, leave a like.
Subscribe if you're new.
And I'll see you in the next video.